YouTube family. Here I am again. This video is going to be as quick as I possibly can, just to show you some more of the books. And like I said, I'm going to get a email, so that way you could get a hold of me if there's something that you want. And I'm also going to put the link on to my Macari store so that y'all can look if there's anything that you want. And also, like I said in the first video, if it's too much for you, talk to me. I'll make a deal. Also, I can't do anything about the shipping. You know, it goes by weight. I put it at the lowest possible weight that you can for whatever it is that you're shipping. So, you know, please don't negotiate that because I can't do it. So, but here we go. Is another cookbook. Martha Stewart. See? I don't look like her anymore. I remember those hairstyles. My mama had that hairstyle. Oh. And here's another one. And this one is Pies and Pastries. And a lot of these, they're vintage, as you can tell. Martha Stewart's like a little bit older than I am. So, she's like stuck in between my mom's age and mine. Okay, let me see if I can get this one. Complete Book of Picnics. What year is this? This is Chevron Ortho book. I'll just give you an idea of how old they are. 1979. It doesn't have a republished date on it, so there's that. And then we have Christmas with Southern Living, 1989. And here's one that even has the old price tag on it. Southern Living, 1996 annual recipes. Back then, it was $5.99. Brand new. That's a cute little cake. But I'm not talented enough to do that. I mean, maybe if I stayed in the kitchen all the time, but that's not going to happen. Okay. Taste of Home Christmas, 2011. You know, maybe there's a recipe that you actually remember from when you were young. And maybe you're not computer or internet literate, you know. Some people like the books rather than internet, so. Betty Crocker's Dinner for Two cookbook. Back in the day, brand new, $2.95. Food, family, and friends. Quick and easy recipes for every occasion. That's cute. Let's see. Amish cooking. I don't like blueberries, but I could put another fruit in that bread and I'd be tickled to death. Pies and Tarts. This is also a Martha Stewart. And she was even younger than she was in the other one. Flowers in the Kitchen. And I don't know if many people know, but there are a lot of flowers that you can eat. And they don't taste bad. I've had roses and some other little flour. I can't remember what it was. That was a very long time ago. You really can't taste them, and they add, you know, their vitamins and stuff. Okay, Weight Watchers take out tonight. So this, it says 150 restaurant favorites to make at home. Interesting. Just what I need. It says they have deli specials, Chinese, Greek, Viva Mexico, Beyond Sushi. Now that's Italian. Totally Thai. Treasures of India. This is actually a pretty cool one. Alright, let's put these down here and scoot them over. Whew, sorry y'all, my foot tried to cramp. Bon Appetit favorite restaurant recipes. It's only on the hard binder, the name. Somebody named Anne Griffin used to own it. 1982. The binding is a little broke on this one, but that really isn't a hard fix. And it's kind of dirty, but that just means it was well loved. The Active Woman's Cookbook. Bread and Breakfast. Cooking for two or just you. I might keep that one. I don't know. Put that there. Let me think about that. Pasta Made Simple. Healthy Cooking for Two or Just You. You know, these are good sized books. Almost done, people. Celebrate a year of British festivities for families and friends. Pippa Middleton. Oh. Okay. Get the name in there. There we go. Main Dishes. That's from Pampered Chef. Those are cool. Bon Appetit. Weekend Entertaining. You know, and a lot of times people use these books for decorating, believe it or not. We used to call them coffee table reads. You know, Georges Perrier, I guess. I don't know. I'm not French, so I apologize. I probably botched his name. But, yeah. And if you could do the gourmet cooking too. Woohoo. Or if you just want to look and wish that you could. Huh. Interesting. So, yeah. And if you want, you know, to see a little bit of the insides or on a certain book, just let me know. Just email me and I'll do that for you. Entertaining with Ease Cookbook. Better Homes and Gardens. I like Better Homes and Gardens myself. The Ultimate RV Cookbook. So, if you're on the go or don't have a lot of space, so even, you know, tiny home, there's your little book. Private Collection. So the unfortunately the back is ripped. I don't know how that happened, unless I did it when I put them away. But yeah, pretty book. Has lots of recipes. Best Cookbook, the RT French Company Tastemaker Award. Discover brunch. And a lot of things that, like for brunches and stuff, you can do in advance and put them in freezer bags and freeze them, and then so you don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, is what I'm trying to say. Is if you prep ahead, even if you're single, you know, you can throw everything into, like, say you wanted pancakes. Throw all the dry ingredients in some bags for the amount that you will use at a time. You can freeze your eggs so they don't go bad, because that's the thing I had an issue with when I was by myself before kids. My stuff would go bad. I now know you can freeze stuff. Eggs, milk, butter, bread, you know, dry ingredients. You can all kinds of stuff that last a lot longer, you know, that way. So, sorry, I'm just blabbing. Southern Living, 1993, annual recipes. Martha Stewart again. Better Than You at Entertainment. That one's not very big, but knowing Martha Stewart, there's, yeah, it's more, yeah, there was recipes in there, but a wreath with real ingredients. How would you stop that from going bad? I guess I would have to read it to find out, huh? Alrighty, Hallmark Holiday Cookbook. This has seen some love also. Put these away. Whew. I'm about tired. It's hard to stand in one spot, but I don't want to rock back and forth because y'all don't think I'm crazy. Believe it or not, when you have arthritis in your hips, it helps when you move from one hip to the next hip so that it doesn't hurt as much. But here's another one. This is the President's Table. It does have this little sleeve, which is still in here. But whoop, it has, I hope you can see well, I don't lose that piece. Stories, invitations, what they look like. It's pretty cool if you're into that kind of stuff. You know, I mean, maybe you're even a collector that collects the invitations, because, you know, and then you can have something to reference. But I think this is pretty interesting. Herbert Hoover. That's where I went to high school. Here in San Diego. Yeah, that's cool. And here's another one that's a very big book. Big book. The French Laundry Cookbook. Thomas Keller. Very expensive book, $50. Bellini, Bellini, yeah. And they do have recipes. Eggplant caviar. potato chips with truffle dip. I bet that would be good because I like truffles. Ooh. Baked New Frontiers in Baking. This looks pretty cool too. And to get your meringue to do that, you have to get it really, really stiff. And then you just kind of whisk it up. It's pretty cool. I don't like meringue, but I know how to make it. Yeah. A field guide to baking. And then here you've got Chipotle cheddar biscuits. Oh my goodness. Lemon loaf cake. Don't let my mama see that. The whiteout cake. Woo. Lemon drop cake. I'm getting fatter just thinking about them. Okay. Southern Living. 1992 annual recipes. Pretty cool. Once a month cooking. There you go, ladies. Freeze. Freeze, freeze, freeze. Chinese cookbook. And I didn't say just mean ladies. I'm guys too. Y'all know. Wake up. Love y'all. Okay. The Pampered Chef Favorites number 2. And light crab spread, artichoke, hot artichoke dip. Yum. Cheddar apple pizza pie. Cherry cheese coffee cake. Bubble up pizza. What is that? Buttermilk biscuit, spaghetti sauce, cheese, mozzarella, garlic. Huh. So it is the crust, the bubble up pizza. Pretty cool. Rachel Ray, Best Eats in Town, on 40 a day. Dining by Rail. This is history. It's pretty cool too. Especially if you're into trains. Got a lot of info in there. A lot. It's really, really cool. Pampered Chef's Seasons Best Recipe Collection, 1996. Spring and Summer. Red Hats, Purple Shoes, and Afternoon Teas. Apparently this came from Goodwill at one time, and it's $2.99 from there. That's pretty cool. Instructions and recipes for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Yeah, know what? This is mine because I just got one. And it has the hooks and whatnot, what they're for. So I don't even have to look that up because I have it at my fingertips. But y'all can discard that one because it's mine. Alright, and that is it for cookbooks. So, hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I will link everything so that you can contact me if there's something you want to see more of or want to know prices of or, you know, etc. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, especially if you know somebody who likes something in particular that I had, you know, like the presidents where it had all the invitations, and the rail car that has the history of the rail cards also, you know. It's pretty cool. But yeah. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. And hope everybody has a blessed day. And we'll see you again soon.